Hey, did you just complete the 15-day challenge in Legendary Marketer and now you're looking to actually get leads, sales, and signups into opportunities so you can make some money online? Well, you came to the right place. If you're looking for high quality traffic that's actually going to engage on your email list and buy from you, I'm going to actually tell you a little bit about my traffic. Now, this is a traffic source that's unlike any other traffic that you'll get online. And the reason why I say that is because I am a marketer first before I sell any traffic. And it's very important that you actually get your traffic from a marketer and somebody who knows how to generate leads online and how to build an email list the right way. There's a lot of people out here that will come into your inbox on Facebook, that will reach out to you, that will try to convince you to buy their traffic. Those people are not marketers. They don't understand marketing, and they just sell traffic. They just sell clicks, and they're just trying to get your money, right? It's a little bit different when you get traffic from a marketer who actually sells traffic rather than a solo ad vendor. Now, there's a difference, and the difference is just knowing how to market. A lot of solo ad vendors don't understand marketing. And my goal when you come to me is to actually help you get highly targeted traffic to your offers that you're promoting, including Legendary Marketer. So you're going to know how to get high quality people onto your email list. And I want to make sure that your page that you're sending people to converts very well and that the sales copy matches within your funnel. And that's what a lot of people don't do. They don't understand that it has to match, and you have to have a high quality traffic source that is actually gonna get you results, and you have to know who you're getting your traffic from. And I know firsthand because when I first started online, I would just go to YouTube and I would look up people, and I was told just to run a bunch of traffic to a sales funnel and you're going to get a bunch of results. Well, I tried that and it got me $87,000 in debt. I didn't know what I would do, and I didn't have any support along the way, so I was just relying on YouTube to actually learn marketing. And I had to learn the hard way, right? So then I started to learn about traffic the right way, and that's how I was able to start my traffic business and climb myself up out of that hole, right? And I ended up putting a lot of time and money on credit cards into paid traffic, and I wish I would have just had somebody that would actually get on a call with me and talk to me about how to do this the right way, because that could have saved me a bunch of time and money that I spent, and I could have been successful a lot faster than 6 years, right? And so when you get traffic from me, you're getting traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, and Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. Now, when you get traffic from me, I'm going to help you get conversions. So you have the option to actually set up a call with me after you buy traffic, and I'm going to help you to get results. So if you've been struggling with sales funnels, you've been struggling with systems, maybe you have ClickFunnels and you're paying too much for ClickFunnels and you don't know how to actually track your conversions, you don't know how to actually market the right way online despite going through the training in the company, and that's okay, right? I'm going to help you with that stuff. So I'll help you set up and manage your funnels for whatever offers that you have. I will give you the highest converting pages that convert as high as 85%. Now my highest conversion rate is at 90% with sales. That's my highest opt-in rate, which is unheard of in the industry. So if you go to my testimonials below right here, you'll see those testimonials, right? And I want to also help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, so that way you know how to actually track your stats. And I'm going to help you to build a list of highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer and who are very engaged. And that's what you need, right? You need a highly engaged group of people who want what you have, right? So the first step is to select your package below, and then you have the option to book a call with me, and I help you to review your campaign and give you a strategy for actually getting results in your business opportunity, right? And like as I said, my highest conversion rates as of now are 90%, and I help you to get those results, right? And then after you do your call, the next step is to launch within 72 hours or less. Depending on when you book the call. If you book the call, it'll be right after you book the call. So whenever you book the call for, it'll be right after that. If not, it'll be within 72 hours or less. But if you do buy traffic from me, I highly suggest that you book the call, because I don't want you blowing a lot of money or throwing your money down the drain like you may have with other people who have sold you traffic in the past, right? Because they'll just take your link and they won't give you any feedback, they won't give you any support, they won't give you any help, they won't tell you what you're doing wrong. And I'm different because I want to help you get results, and I want you to get results long term, because I know if you get results long term with me, then you'll be back. And I know that you'll have nothing but good things to say about me if I help you to get those results. If I tell you what other people won't tell you to actually get results. And I don't want to be like other people and just get your money and just say, see you later. I'm not that kind of guy. I want to actually see you win. And, you know, as you can see right here, here's some of the results that I've got, people. I've got people, in 88% opt-in rate. Here's another one, 82%. Here's another one, 71%. Here's another one, 60%. And I have a whole page of testimonials here. And, as you can see, I'm a marketer because I'm doing video. And you won't see a lot of marketers who are marketers and sell traffic. You won't see a lot of solo ad vendors do videos like me, right? So here's your 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1. And here's some of the companies that I've helped people to get results in. Here's some questions that people ask. So if you have questions, chances are your questions are in this section. So you want to check out this section right here before you actually buy any traffic from me. And here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is that I cannot issue you refunds for any traffic, right? I don't issue refunds, but what I can do is make sure that you're 100% happy and satisfied with your order. I will give you 100% real traffic. You will not get any fake traffic. It's 100% real for me. And if you have any issues with your traffic, I promise to compensate you in traffic. All you got to do is reach out to me. You can leave a message down here and I will get the message, or you can reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, and I will compensate you in traffic and help you to get to the bottom of any traffic related issue that you have. I will make sure that you get exactly what you paid for, and I will compensate you in traffic, right? I will make sure that you are totally happy with your order and your purchase, so that way you come back, right? If you're getting results, you're going to buy from me, right? And I already know that. I want you to get results. I want to help you in the areas that you're stuck in. So if you're having some issues with marketing, make sure you order a traffic package from me, and I am going to personally talk to you live by Zoom when you book that call, right? So I'm going to help you to get those results. I'm not going to let you figure this all out on your own and spend a bunch of time and money trying to figure it all out. There's no reason why you should be going into debt trying to figure it all out on your own. So let me help you. Let me help you to get those results. Let me help you to make a change in your marketing, a change in your life, and a change in your business. All right. So, click on that link below this video to come to this traffic store. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I have a free Facebook group I also included in the description. You could go and get into the Facebook group. You just got to answer some questions to be accepted into the Facebook group, and that's where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to grow your business. So make sure you get into that free Facebook group. It doesn't cost you anything to get in there, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go to the video, or make sure you go to the link in the description, and make sure you come to this page so that way I can help you to get traffic. All right, talk to you soon, and bye for now.